because Ashwini is practicing regularly for the last 2 years. She's able. She practices 5 days. No, wait. Stay there itself. So you take the support of the wall, okay? So let the buttocks, calf muscles and the heels touch the wall completely. And most important, like when you're here, elbows must be inside. Elbows must be inside. So that's much easier. If the elbows are out, you will definitely fall down. So this is the first one. So in the second one, you start by removing one hand for thigh. One category. And then you move the elbows in. And then you take the other hand off. You take the support. Let the buttocks also touch the wall. Let the heels also touch the wall.
What if the weight one?
It happens. You'll fall down, you get up and do again. Nothing will happen. So that's why you start with one hand. One thing that could finish. So you start with this. You stay here for like 10 seconds and then you take this hand back and then you change the other hand. Okay. And then probably a few months, you'll be able to take both the hands in the front. So this is the second one. And then the third one, you just change the position of the palms. Don't see that. Okay. And then the fourth one, you interlock the elbow. You have to hold the elbow. And then the fifth one, you stretch the hands in the front. You take the wall support completely. Just to be on the safer side, make sure someone's standing next to you just for moral support. And then you bring the hands back and then you take the hands back. Okay, this. Idi. So this is like, it takes, if someone supports you here, yeah, and then you come down. She'll help you now. It's very, see, if you completely touch the wall, it's very easy. Even all of these guys, they started from zero. Complete wall support, anyone can do. And then you can slowly graduate to that level, like doing without the wall support. You can start with one hand.
Start with one hand. Okay. Not contra variations. ನೀವು half a try ಮಾಡಿ.
ಶಿಷ್ಯ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.